Hey guys, welcome to this video review. I'm Maria and today I want to talk to you about your hearing health and things like tinnitus as well. If you suffer from this really awful situation, you need to listen up. Today I want to talk to you about Quietum Plus. Quietum Plus is a really great supplement that is basically created out of natural ingredients. It is very healthy and safe, and it has such a great impact on your life. It delivers amazing results. Stay in this video and watch until the very end because today I want to help you understand everything about Quietum Plus, like everything from A to Z about it. If you don't want to miss out on important information, have regrets, or throw your money away, I strongly recommend that you listen up, okay? Also, let me tell you right now, I will be sharing the most important alert ever about Quietum Plus. That is where you need to get it from. You see, not many people actually know what Quietum Plus has. Its very own official website. I went there myself, copied the link for you guys, and left it just below the video in the description box. Once you click there, you will be redirected straight to the official website. You can read a little bit more about its story over there, learn about the creator himself, and check out its natural ingredients. You can also read people's feedback. Who knows, maybe you can relate to a story or two. There's so much more you can find over there. What I mean is that if you get it from the official website, you will be able to have a refund should you need it. And also, you will be making a very safe and secure purchase, guys. Now, let's talk about what Quietum Plus is. Basically, Quietum Plus is here to help you treat any hearing conditions, restore and repair your hearing, and prevent hearing loss. If you are suffering from hearing loss or earaches, or you want to prevent hearing loss because you know it might come to you sooner or later, Quietum Plus is going to help you out. Not to mention tinnitus, it's so annoying. If you've never suffered from it before, let me explain. It's like a constant buzzing or tickling sound in your ear. You cannot concentrate, you can't think properly, and it makes you stressed out all the time. Quietum Plus contains ingredients that go to the root cause of the problem and fix it from the root, so say goodbye to tinnitus. Quietum Plus actually contains some really cool ingredients like vitamin A and B and even zinc. These help nourish your brain connections and support your immune system. As we all know, our hearing and brain are wired up, right? It also has Denai, which is Chinese remedy that supports brain cell health. It's like a superior ear tonic that gets rid of any toxins and inflammation. Additionally, it has ingredients like Murapama and maca root, which help with inflammation and soothe the nervous system. With Quietum Plus, you are going to get great results. It will basically renew your whole cognitive and hearing process. Now, if you want to experience all of these great results, here's the deal. You need to take your treatment very seriously. Be strict with it. It is recommended by the manufacturer that you begin with a 3-month treatment or ideally a 6-month treatment. The full treatment gives your whole system enough time to adapt, use all the benefits, and deliver awesome results. Just make sure you use it every day. Since it's natural, there should be no interruptions. Guys, please no interruptions. Otherwise, it will take much longer for you to get results. And we do not want that, right? We want great results. Not to mention, Quietum Plus has absolutely 0 side effects and 0 contradictions. This makes the supplement even more trustworthy and safe. Also, let's say you purchase your treatment, but you are unhappy with it and want your money back. You can, if you got it from the official website. You have a 60-day money-back guarantee. Just go there, talk to the support group, and they'll help you get every single penny back. That is how awesome they are, guys. But honestly, give it a shot. Take the treatment seriously and don't skip any days. Don't forget that I left the official website link in the description box. If you still have doubts or questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will help you out. Quietum Plus is already helping thousands of men and women all over the world, so of course it's going to help you as well. Be patient, don't interrupt your treatment, and you will see the results. Have a great day, guys. See you next time.